Let me show you how to make a simple Dreamcatcher at home. This is the material pack. Feathers, fluff rope, beads, thin golden thread, glue, metal ring. First, wrap the fluff rope around the ring. Then apply a little glue at the starting point and stick it tightly. Wait after applying the glue. Please be patient and wait a bit longer. Once it's tightly stuck and won't come loose, continue wrapping the leather rope until the entire ring is covered. Squeeze a little glue at the end to fasten it. And wait for the glue to dry. Cut off the excess rope. Now the wrapping is done. Take out the thin golden thread. Use it to weave a net, and start with a knot. Tie it, pull it tight, tie it again, and cut off the thread ends. Stick the small thread ends onto the ring with glue. Pull them tight so they won't loosen. The golden thread tends to fray, so it's best to apply glue to the thread end of the other side, then thread it to start weaving the net. First, wrap the thread over the top of the ring. Divide the entire ring into 8 intervals. The first 7 intervals should be even, and the last one should be much smaller than the others. The smallest one is the 8th interval. Then first thread from the bottom to the top through the first grid. Then do the same for the second, third, and subsequent grids, always passing through the grids from bottom to top. Then continue threading downward. For the second layer, continue weaving the net by passing through these triangular grids. Throughout the process, only 2 threads should intersect, never 3. Repeat the same method for about 3 to 4 circles. Finally, make sure the middle space is large enough to fit a bead of this size. Pull it tight, thread the bead through, and then tie a knot. Make sure it doesn't loosen when pulled. Cut off the excess thread, and apply a little glue to the thread ends. Cut off the excess thread, and apply a little glue to the thread ends. Divide the remaining fluff rope from wrapping the ring into 2 parts. Thread them through, and tie a knot. Cut off the excess rope, and tie another rope vertically. Since the fluff rope is thick and hard to thread through beads, trim the end to a point, thread the bead on. Then thread another bead in an up-down pattern. Arrange 4 feathers large and small into 2 groups of 2. Apply a little glue to the top of each feather and insert them into the bead holes. Do the same for the other group of feathers. Then cut off the excess fluff rope on the back. It's finished.